5 cheap modifications that add 200,000 miles or more to your Silverado. I studied trucks that lasted 500,000 miles, identify the upgrades they have in common, 1999 through 2013, GMT 800 and GMT 900. All these modifications cost less than $100 each, but they add years of life to your truck. Subscribe, discover the 5 modifications that are really worth it. You don't need to spend thousands to make your Silverado last. 5 simple, cheap modifications make a huge difference in longevity, proven by trucks with extreme mileage. Each one costs less than $100, some cost only $20. Let's go through the 5 modifications that really matter. First modification, magnetic oil drain plug. Costs $15 to $25. Replaces the original drain plug with one that has a powerful magnet. The magnet captures metal particles before they circulate through the engine, protects bearings, pistons, and cam from abrasive wear. High-mileage trucks always have this installed. Every oil change, you see the metal particles stuck to the magnet. Visual proof it's working, proof it's protecting your engine. Installation takes 2 minutes at your next oil change. $20 that can add 100,000 miles to your engine. Second modification, transmission temperature gauge. Costs $40 to $60. GMT 800 and GMT 900 transmissions don't show temperature on the original dash, but heat kills transmissions faster than anything else. Aftermarket gauge shows real temperature in real time. You learn when your transmission is working too hard. Towing uphill? See temperature rising? Downshift. Slow down. This alone can save your transmission from catastrophic overheating. Trucks that reach 400,000 miles always monitor transmission temperature. Installation is simple. Sensor goes on transmission cooler. Display mounts on dash. $60 prevents $5,000 rebuild or more. Best insurance your transmission can have. Fourth modification, heavy-duty reusable air filter. Costs $50 to $70. Disposable paper filters need frequent, constant replacement. K&N or similar filter lasts the entire life of the truck. You wash, re-oil, and reinstall. Huge savings long-term. But the real benefit is better, consistent airflow over the years. Engine breathes better, more efficient combustion, less stress on the engine. High-mileage trucks have used reusable filters for decades. Installation is direct, replaces the original filter exactly. Pays for itself in 3 years, after that it's pure profit. Fifth modification, catch can for PCV system. Costs $60 to $80. PCV system recycles oil vapors back into the intake. Problem, those vapors contain contaminants that dirty valves and intake over time. Catch can captures oil and contaminants before they enter the engine. Keeps the intake clean, keeps the valves clean much longer. Especially important on AFM engines where carbon buildup is common, expensive problem. You empty the catch can every oil change. Takes only 2 minutes. Trucks that avoid expensive carbon buildup problems always have catch can installed. Installation is moderate. Connects between PCV valve and intake. $80 prevents $2,000 valve problems or more. Fifth modification, quality all-weather floor mats. Costs $60 to $100. Seems cosmetic and superficial, but protects interior carpet from water, salt, and dirt. Wet carpet rots over time, creates floor rust, causes serious structural problems. WeatherTech or Husky mats protect the floor completely. Clean, dry interior lasts decades without deterioration or bad smell. Trucks with pristine interiors after 20 years always have quality mats installed. Installation is zero. Just place them instead of the originals. Protection is worth gold in states with snow and road salt. $100 prevents floor rust and permanent, impossible to remove bad smell. 5 cheap modifications that add 200,000 miles to your Silverado. Magnetic drain plug, transmission temperature gauge, heavy-duty air filter, PCV catch can, quality all-weather floor mats. Total investment? Less than $300 for all 5. Return on that investment? Tens of thousands of extra miles. Expensive problems avoided. Money saved. How many of these do you already have installed on your truck? Comment the number below. None are complicated to install. All are DIY friendly. All are worth every penny invested. Like, share, and subscribe. Thursday, 5 mistakes that kill Silverados before 200,000 miles. Invest $300 now, save tens of thousands of dollars later. See you Thursday, Silverado family.